Hello, welcome back to another video. We are at Mad Ford Engineering and we are the Rusty Nuts. Liam is hard at work. I got delayed to the workshop tonight, so been fitting in the...
Bonnet stay support.
Bonnet stay support. Oh, you've got a mic, so everyone heard that anyway?
Yes.
Yes.
And I wore a mask and it somehow got into my eye.
Oh no, is that why your eye's watering? Profusely.
Here's PPE, bosh.
Wow.
Brilliant.
It must have pinged up like inside the mask all around and then just gone whoop. So yeah, plan is we're going to get some of the furniture onto the bonnet, get that sorted. We need to move a ton of stuff out of the way into the Iveco. We've got some of Bob's stuff in there, haven't we? So we're going to bring that in so we don't forget anything, so we can kind of see everything we've got. I'm wondering if some of that stuff that Andy's looking for is in there as well, like the stuff. Andy is with us tonight. He's going to start having a look at the roll cage and fitting some supports, which will sit on the front of the tub near the shunt box, just so that there's structural integrity there. If we did roll it, that the tub wouldn't just crush. What else are we doing?
Going to fit some of the furniture under the engine bay, providing we've got time.
Yeah.
We've got 4 bolts that we need to put in, which we'll do in a second because it needs 2 of us. To finish off the steering bracket.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to see what we're getting done.
Yeah, I mean, essentially it's just bolting back stuff. Bolting stuff back on. Is kind of the theme at the moment, isn't it?
Yep.
There's still a ton of stuff for paint, but we just want to get stuff on as much as we can and kind of clear some of the shelves down. It's nice, isn't it, then? Because you get a clear view of what's left, even though we have a massive list on the board over there. So, yes, we shall bring you along for the journey. Riveting content. So we got these from Emberton Imperial, good old Charles. We've got a negative earth one, and then we've got the gearbox one as well, which just sits on the bulkhead just above the gearbox tunnel. So I'm going to rivet these in. I've just had to drill out the holes because they're slightly too small, and I think there was rivet remains in this one. But yeah, this is going to make it. These really lift it, and they look great. And on eBay, there's many different suppliers of these you can get, and some cheaper than Emberton. But we've bought a lot from Emberton Imperial, and we know the quality's good, so sometimes that is far more important.
Dave?
Yes?
I've just been outside, I had a look up, and I think I've seen Uranus.
No way!
Come on.
Oi!
Are you filming?
Yeah!
Sorry.
How rude. One.
What's going on, you?
I'm just making some riveting content. So,
Dave's excited.
I'm really excited because I think we can wipe some stuff off the board, but we'll just double check. So,
You'll have seen this board on the previous video, hopefully.
hopefully if I've edited it. It seems to be taking a while, this one. Right, wing alignment.
No.
Mick, not do that? I thought we did that.
No, because we need to trim that panel.
Front bumper, front grille. Negative earth plaque. This is where we find out we use permanent marker. Where's the gearbox one as well? Did we not do one for that? Ah, that's pissed on my parade, hasn't it? I thought I was going to wipe 2 things off. Okay, we'll leave that there. Maybe we don't use this section.
Tailgate reinforcing ribs.
Well, it is a hive of activity around Bob. Liam is working out the fitment of the wing.
Box things.
The underwing trays for the radio cables. Andy is working on removing the fan so we can fit one cowl. And I'm going to work on our beloved tumble dryer vent, whip it off and stick this in the back of it.
Dave's looking up some bits and bobs so that we can get some the mud guards and stuff back on. Mud shields, sorry. I'm just putting the carburetor back in place. Andy's doing his favourite thing. He's cleaning. Really enjoys it. He says it's what he comes for. I think I felt a little bit of sarcasm, but as long as he's happy.
He loves it.
Oh yeah, I remember this bolt. It's an absolute.
Oh, is that another
flipping
one of those
twat.
ones? There's lots of those on a Land Rover, and everyone says, get a Land Rover, it'd be easy, they say.
Easy, they say.
How about buy a Morris Minor? That's easy. Till it rots.
Till it rots and you sit in a ball of despair on the drive.
What are you doing, Liam?
Currently pushing the shaft through a hole. Oh no, sorry, this is a nut and bolt. This is a throttle linkage. Brum, 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 brum.
So you fit the carb, which we
Carb's
would have
fitted,
seen,
which you'd
and
have
now you're just...
Reconnecting the throttle linkage that runs across the bulkhead to the throttle pedal.
So we had to put in a couple of bolts in this bit here, one there and one there, which then goes on...
Shaft.
Yeah, so the shaft's been pushed through, and that's the bracket that controls the range of motion for the throttle.
Correct.
How did you find that?
It was painful, but it wasn't too bad. It's just tricky to get to all the nuts and bolts. You can literally move the spanners like that.
That's on the pinch bolt, isn't it?
Yeah,
On the,
you've got very little movement. But it's in. Throttle's all set up now.
I'm just looking if he's straightened all these.
I tried with the majority of them, but some of them I can't. These ones were just bottomed out.
Okay, so throttle done. So you can tick that off the.
Yep.
Scrub that off.
Hand throttle needs connecting.
Do that.
Check that works.
Scrub something else off, Bliss. So we scrubbed off a few bits. So this is the list. Mechanical. Heater table. Refit carb and throttle linkage.
You know when you try to tighten them up and they go.
So the hand throttle or the cruise control is located here.
Genius.
So,
Is it worth putting the bottom over?
Yeah, can go on.
this rod here goes through the hole on the hand throttle. You put this clip on first, pass it through the little hole, push those through together, pass it round, and then it clips on like that. That's what holds it on. That was really well described, that, Liam. Hold on. Try and get my hands out of the way.
How is it now? I've got time to do the electronic ignition. It's 10 o'clock.
10.
That's it, so we should.
Right, before you do that, press the throttle, David, because there has to be a clearance on it.
Pressing.
Yeah, okay. Right, try your hand throttle now. Yes! Perfection.
Like it.
Like a glove. Not that you'll ever need the hand throttle.
Carb is on. Throttle
linkage
linkage is on.
Fuel
And
line's connected.
the fuel line is connected. Andy's been working. We took the fan off, got the cowl on. That's all cleaned up. Nice new bolts, screws in
Top
there.
hose is on.
Yep, top hose is on. Currently doing bottom hose and
Yeah. Then we can get the air filter in. And
up
the
there.
elbow.
That'll look nice.
Oh, I'll do the heat shield.
I would leave the elbow off until we've done the electronic ignition.
Okay, so there we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like. If you didn't like it, give us a dislike, you know, whatever. Links in the description below. You'll see all our merch. Our merch has got the new logos on there as well, if you so wish. There's Mick's merch on there and links to Mick's channel. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll join you in the next one.